Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to prevent mobile data and Wi-Fi being cut when phone screen is locked in a phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. When phone screen is locked, if you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi may be cut or mobile data may be cut. Okay. If you would like to prevent this, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and give your current pattern for confirmation, and then you have to turn on this button, lock network and security, so that it will prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data being cut or turned off when your phone screen is locked. Okay, when your phone screen is locked, your mobile data should always be used. Okay, if you are using it continuously. Okay, so for that purpose, you have to make sure that this button is turned on, so that Wi-Fi and mobile data being continuously used even your phone is locked. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.